All right, so customer had a cracked stack, so I had to cut everything out and cut it all out, and this is where it was cracked at, all the way down. So we got the whole, I got it out from there, all the way down. All right, this is all the stuff we pulled out. That was the whole stack. You see it was cracked all the way down. Yeah, and then this, I don't know who plumbed this, but that was a crazy angles going on. We're gonna straighten all that out. Yeah, all that out of there. Now what we're gonna have to do is trim this piece here, and I gotta trim it back so we can get that pipe to come down because it's not lining up right. All right, so the idea is to get this removed here. All right, so we'll definitely cleared a nicer hole there for that pipe to come down. So we got enough room to cut this and put another piece in. So that's what we'll do there. Okay. They painted all over it. As you can see, they spray painted it, so I can't use that. So we're gonna just cut some fresh, couple that back up. All right, so we're now getting ready to, we just extended that pipe out so that we can make the 90 exact. All right, so we got the coupler on now. We got this cut, this is where we want it, basically. I'm just getting this little stud out of the way. So I can move this pipe over. It's gonna have to come over more. There we go. All right, so to get a good, fairly even cut on a pipe, we use the clamp trick. Clamp it, mark where we want it with this, and then clamp it, and that kind of has, it's a guide that gets it really close. All right, so we've kind of just dry fitted that a little bit, just checking out how that's going to line up, and that will line up perfectly with that. So now we'll get that figured out here in a minute. We just got to figure out the distances now. So we're gonna get a little bit of a good measurement down on the rest of this, and we'll be able to be done. All right, so basically we have it all dry fitted now, basically lined up how we're gonna about want it. So that's basically it there. Now we just gotta, you know, rebuild it all piece by piece, glue it in the right order. All right, so we're now rebuilding everything. We already had dry fitted everything. Now we're gonna start gluing it all together and get this all together. So we just started this. We're getting our measurements for this now. And just putting it all together a piece at a time. And all right, let's get this cut. Alrighty, good to go. All right, so we got all that glued together. Boom, boom, boom. All the pitch is correct. So what we did here is just joined it back up here with a, so we don't have to rebuild all the way up. All right, next part is we want to start bringing this down to the main stack. We're just going to leave that like it is now so I can get all the measurements, and then we're going to put the, we can go ahead and put the this coupling up on there too. Get that slid up and ready to go, so when it's time I can just drop that straight in and we'll lock those two in, so that we can go ahead and get that done too. Let's go. Okay, so we have a total of about 12 inches, about a foot that we need to cut for that one. All right, so let's do the foot. All right, so here we are. We got the 12-inch piece ready. We're gonna go ahead and glue it up now. So you ready? We're gonna go ahead and prime, glue it, and get it up in there. Okay, glue time. Let's roll. Lots of glue, lots of glue. Okay. Good. Lots of glue, lots of glue, lots of glue. Come on, we gotta move, we gotta move. We got a lot of time. More time on that. More time. All right, let's do it. All right, slide it in. All right. Hold it. Ooh. Whew. Catch some of that drip. Much as you can. We're gonna have to do one more thing here. We gotta see. All right, here we are. So now we're getting ready to put the next part in. It's gonna be this. All right, so here we are. Getting ready to do the final connections here. Got to measure off the two distances there. We're going to glue it all together and then bring that up and just connect that to that, and then do the two couplers, bring them up. All right, and down. So let's get that measured out now. And we'll go ahead. All right, so we locked those down. Everything's put together. All right, there we are. Here's the stack, all rebuilt. Back's rebuilt right there, and I'm gonna put a clamp right there too real quick. All right, so we got water running on second and top floor that all just drained into. And as you can see, no water. Perfect, not a leak anywhere. No water nowhere. So it's all good. Perfect, seal all the way, no drips. All the way up. Good to go. Let's go take a look upstairs, around the corner here. See how that's looking. Okay, perfect. Those are the two things I did there. Just overlooking everything, pecs. Okay. It's looking great. Perfect. Nothing there. Okay. Let's go look at the second part of the stack up here. Okay. Brush. Still running. All right, looks good. No leaks anywhere. Nothing around the back. Perfect. All the way down, perfect. And then check seals here. Good to go. No leaks. We are good to go. Awesome. Okay. That's it. Job well done. We can go ahead and shut all this down. All right. One more flush would be nice for that extra. All right, the final view. Stack all rebuilt. That was a hell of a thing to get it out of that wall too, right there. And a clean out too, which is really nice to have. You should always have clean outs. Look at that, perfect slope, everything, slope right. You remember how it started. That stuff was crazy looking. Now that's a work of art. Good job.